Hi there, I am playing around with my homemade Gelli Plate, and I just got in a whole set of Distress Oxide, so I was playing around and seeing what I could create. So what I have here is a brayer, my inks, some scrap cardstock paper, and then I have some templates. They're not really stencils, I would say, but they, block out shapes. And so I just wanted to show you a little bit about what I was doing and how I was playing around. So let's just, now my plate already has some ink on it, and I'm just leaving it there and building up on top of it. So I'm going to add some broken china, and then I'm going to use some worn lipstick over here. And then with my brayer, I'm going to roll those on my plate and blend them. You just want to keep rolling or brayering until you get a smooth surface. And then I'm going to take this roller off to the side on a scrap piece of paper just to get it a little bit clean. And now I'm going to grab, let's see, I have this foam stamp that I made a while ago, and I'm just going to stamp in here to see if I can pick up some of that color. And I might be transferring some ink color there too. That's okay. Alright, and then I have some bubble wrap. I'm just gonna stick on there to make some texture. And that's actually pulling the ink off. So let's put a piece down and see piece of paper and see what we've got. Okay, so you can see here where the bubble wrap was and some of the little fish stamps, the inks, and I'm probably pulling off some ink that I had there before. Now this is a light print, and I may want to, add on top of that later. So let's, I'm going to add, let's see if this will work. I'm going to take this kind of floral stencil here. I'll put it right there. I'm going to go in with some iced spruce and just go over that stencil, blending until I got it covered. I'll take that piece again and get this one. Not bad. Alright, so now I'm going to put that iced spruce down everywhere. And probably some walnut stain as well over here. And I am not cleaning off my brayer, and I'm just going to go right in and blend. Some of that. I don't know what we can, let's see if I can stamp into that a little bit. I can find my stamping block. Here we go. Alright. So now I'm just going to take a rubber stamp with some ink. This is, if you care about the color, it's Faded Jeans. got some marks in there, so I think I'm going to just add a few more. So I thought I would just share some of the prints I made with my homemade Gelli Plate and using Distress Oxide inks